One of my favorite tools of all time is the nail gun. So convenient, but before you rush out and buy one, you need to understand there are different types of guns for different purposes. What do you need it for? Well, this is, of course, a framing gun, good for 3.5-inch nails down to what I'm using is actually driving in some little 2-inch ring shank siding nails. But for most homeowners, I would say try out a finish nailer. They are great for any type of inside work, like hanging baseboards, inside shelving. You can also use them for the hobbyists for making picture frames. They're great. But before you buy a gun, keep this in mind. There's more of an investment than just the gun. For example, you've got to have a good quality air compressor and, of course, the hose that goes with it. Now, here's the question you have to ask yourself. Is it worth the investment to buy all of those tools? Well, here's the way I look at it. You could actually take one of these guns and for maybe, let's say an hour of your day, take care of the work you need, or you could swing one of these for about 8 hours. You decide.